Money management is one of the most important parts of binary options trading, yet many traders ignore it. Without a solid plan for how much to risk on each trade, even a good strategy can fail over time. In binary options, every trade is either a win or a loss, so it's easy to fall into the trap of chasing losses or overtrading after a few wins. That's why smart traders use clear rules to control how much of their capital they risk on a single trade. A common rule is the 1% or 2% rule, which means never risking more than 1 to 2% of your total account balance on any one trade. For example, if you have $1,000, you should risk no more than $10 to $20 per trade. This approach helps protect your account from big drawdowns and gives you more chances to recover from a losing streak. Another important part of money management is setting daily or weekly loss limits. If you hit that limit, it's better to stop trading and review your performance instead of continuing emotionally. Some traders also use fixed amount trading, where they keep the same trade size no matter what, while others use compound strategies where they increase their trade size as their account grows. But both methods require discipline and a clear understanding of risk. It's also a good idea to set profit targets and not let greed take over after a few wins. Always remember that binary options trading is not about winning every trade, but about staying consistent over time. If you manage your money wisely, even a 55% win rate can make you profitable. Many trading platforms like Pocket Option, Quotex, and Trade allow you to set trade limits or use demo accounts to practice money management strategies before using real funds. Don't rely on luck or emotions. Stick to your trading plan, follow your risk limits, and avoid random bets. Whether you are using a simple strategy or something advanced, strong money management is what helps you stay in the game long enough to see results. In short, treat trading like a business. Keep track of every trade, review your performance regularly, and make changes where needed. Over time, good money management builds confidence and helps reduce stress, making trading more stable and less emotional. It won't guarantee success, but it gives you the best possible chance to grow your account steadily while protecting your capital.